Whenever you have a pimple on your face, the emergency pimple remover cream that you should use and that will give you the results that will pop the pimples in 2 days in 2 days, 3 days, depending on the kind of inflammation that you have there, and depending on whether it was caused by stress or you ate something like you had fatty or oily food, depending on what caused it. The emergency pimple remover cream is what? Shea butter. Shea butter. Shea butter is what I've been applying on my face. If you're the type that usually have pimples on your face, when I mean pimple, like you are having like a breakout of pimple, and when I mean breakout of pimple, I don't mean like all over or acne. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Like, as you can see mine, I don't know if you can see it clearly, here and here, something like this. I think a picture is going to be displayed on the screen. I'm sorry that I did not actually take a picture of mine before it's posted like this, but just use this picture as a point of contact. Shea butter is what? Is a nut that is being extracted from what? The African shea tree. Is a nut that they extract from the African shea tree. The high concentration in fatty acid in this shea butter makes it an ideal ingredient for cosmetic products, for actually doing what? Softening the skin, making the skin soft. Shea butter has anti-inflammatory and healing properties, okay? So it's not just for the face alone, it can be used for the body. It can be used in any part of the body. This shea butter actually helps to reduce what? Reduce redness and swelling on the face and body. Now let's look at the ingredients of this shea butter. Shea butter is composed of what? 5 principal fatty acid. The first one is palmitic, the second one is stearic, and the third one is oleic. The fourth one is what? Linoleic, and the fifth one is what? Arachidic. As you can see, these are very high fatty acid that when you use on your skin, that actually helps to do wonders on your skin. Okay, so now let's get to how to use shea butter on your skin, because I think a lot of you will be like, are you serious? Shea butter ori for pimples? It's so surprising how people don't know how powerful this thing is. Like, my grandmother loves it, like it can never be missing in the house. As thick as this thing is, it is so powerful. If you have a dry skin and you use shea butter on your skin for like consecutively for a week, you'll be so amused at the glow of your skin. Number one is it has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Okay, as you can see, I am the example. I had like a pimple as the last 2 weeks on my face right here. It was swollen, it was so hard, swollen and painful. And you know what? I just applied shea butter. I'm like, why do I need to get any products right now? I applied it around there, like before the next day, it had already softened that area because of the fatty acid it contains. It softened the pimple. The boy had already opened and the pores was out already, and before the end of the next day it was gone. Like, it has gone. The reason I'm actually making this video is because some people are so fond of any little thing on their skin. Maybe they have a mark here, or they have a pimple here, or just small changes in their skin due to weather or stress or anything. They have the cosmetic store, they are buying a dozen of products. I'm not saying it is not good. The point I'm trying to pick out from here is, it's not any time you go to a cosmetic store to go and get a product and you do not watch your skin. Okay, that is why when you get that product, you do not get the results that you were expecting to get. You do not get it. It's either maybe the pimple tripled, or you got darker, or just something, you just had like a reaction on your skin. It's because you didn't actually take our time to actually study your skin before jumping into another product. So whenever you have pimple, take note of my words. I said a pimple like this on your face, don't rush the cosmetic store what you should do is use the emergency pimple remover, which is what? Shea butter. The next one is shea butter actually helps to moisturize the skin. It actually helps to give your skin that soft, smooth and radiant glow. Shea butter is constantly it is used in a lot of cosmetic products. It is used. If you have a dry skin, sensitive skin, any product you are getting must definitely have shea butter. It also helps to heal the skin, and shea butter acts as an occlusive also that actually helps to do what? Lock up moisture into the skin. Just with the best thing is that is how the shea butter is. It actually helps to do locking moisture to make sure that moisturization does not escape out of the skin. Now let's get to how do I now use shea butter on my skin, because that is another big tough question again. That is another very important question that is frequently asked. Now before we continue watching this video, you've not liked, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button right now. Like this video to show your support and to show that you're enjoying this video. Also to comment from the country you're watching from, like wherever you're watching from, please put it down there so that we can connect. If you do not use a product rightly, you will end up damaging your skin or causing problems on your skin. So the first thing you want to do is, so if you have pimples, you're experiencing a breakout. Remember, I did not say acne. I didn't say acne. I'm not saying if you have an acne, like rub shea butter on your face and it's gone. No. Pimple. What I said was pimple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are cleansing your skin with a facial cleanser. I literally love the results of it on my skin. This clean and clear cleanser and the face scrub, these two, the face scrub, the cleanser. You cleanse your face and you rinse with warm water. Yes, this is me teaching you how to incorporate shea butter in your skincare routine. If you want to get rid of that pimples on your face now, then watch to the end, don't go anywhere. So like I said, you rinse with warm water, then you apply the shea butter. Apply the shea butter on the affected area like this. Don't go and rub it all over your face. If you do that, it's going to clog your pores and you'll be so shocked that you will get the worst kind of pimple ever if your skin is sensitive. Or better still, you can mix it with your moisturizer, then you wait for the process. This is how you use shea butter on your skin. On a clean skin.
Another big question is, how long does it take shea butter to clear the skin? So in my own case, mine was just like 2 days, but in most cases it can take about 4 to 5 days depending on if it's a nasal congestion. Okay,
another frequent question that you might want to ask is, does shea butter bleach? Can shea butter bleach your skin? Like, really? Nope. Shea butter will not, can never, it does not have any lightening properties. If you've bleached your skin so terrible and you want to start saving your skin, if you use shea butter for consecutively 4 to 6 months, you'll be so amused at how your skin is going to start taking a shape back. So the answer is no, shea butter does not bleach the skin. Can shea butter darken the skin? Answer is yes. If you do not use shea butter rightly, if you don't use shea butter properly, shea butter can actually help to darken your skin. I don't know about you, but me, if I apply shea butter all over my face, like in 2 days I'll be very dark. I have a combination skin and my skin easily reacts to products. Like if I want to know how good a cream is going to be, I use it on my skin. If I want to know how good a cream is going to be, use it on my skin. I'm going to put out some of that disclaimer right here. Do not use shea butter and go out in the sun. Shea butter, just the way Vaseline petroleum jelly does, it actually attracts dust and it also attracts the rays of the sun. Okay, and if you are not careful,
you are likely to have sunburn on your face, and you are also likely to get darker and also have pimples if you apply shea butter and go out in the sun. Okay, so I do not recommend applying shea butter on your face and going out under the sun.
So guys, that is that about this video on shea butter. So please stop underrating this shea butter. Shea butter now is now hot cake. Now it's very very expensive. I think this one now will be like 1,000 naira. Remember then as at then this is like 100 naira, but now it's like over, like it's close to 1,000 naira. This particular size, or even more, or even more. So guys, that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for joining. If you've not subscribed, please do to subscribe. If you've not liked it, please do it to like the video. Do it to like the video and also share to friends. Trust me, share to your friend. They're going to find this video really helpful. Okay, share to friends, share to your loved ones, and leave a comment if you also want me to review any other thing, or if you want me to review any other products for you, or if you have a suggestion or you have a contribution, you can come down to the comment section and leave your comments. Okay, and don't also forget to check out my previous videos. Okay, alright guys, that'll be all for today's video, and until then I'll see you guys in my next